front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then to use it, you need to set it up. To do that, click on Continue, select Skip, tap on Accept, and then tap on red button at the bottom. Now hit while using the app and allow. Finally, you can tap on red button again, this time to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, pause it, hit discard on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, you need to keep it unpaused. Click on Place Pin, also on the left. Type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. To end it and save it though, you can pause it. Or don't pause it and hit save at the top. On the right. Then hit save at the top over here. And as you can see, my recording was successfully created. Now to play it, click on it. To rename it, go back, hold it on the list. Use this icon between a heart and the bin one at the top right corner and type in wherever you want to. Then select OK. To get rid of it, you need to hold it, click on bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!